Linking a bank account to your Neteller account is a straightforward process that allows you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Visit the Neteller website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account section. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Account section of your Neteller dashboard. Look for an option labeled Bank Account or Link Bank Account. Step 3. Enter your bank details. Click on the option to add a new bank account. You will need to provide your bank account number, routing number, and any other required information. Make sure to double-check the details for accuracy. Step 4. Verify your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm the link. Once you have verified the test deposit, return to your Neteller account and confirm the linking of your bank account. You should receive a notification that your bank account is now successfully linked. Now you can easily manage your transactions between your bank account and Neteller. If you encounter any issues, refer to Neteller's customer support for assistance.